Hello. So, welcome all. Today we will be discussing a very important topic of Huawei, that is NCE, Network Cloud Engine, which is a new generation NMS. Previously, we were having U200, that is a good NMS system for different telecommunication networks. But right now, we are using Network Cloud Engine, NMS with controller and management layer and as well as analyzer layer. So not only it helps us in network management, but also to configure and also to control and analyze as well. And it is following complete life cycle of a network management. Either your network is of optical transmission or IP network or even microwave network, or could be a WAN or a wireless LAN network, but we will be focusing today only optical transmission network, that is NC. And I'll try to tell you about basic infrastructure and how NCT is working in under 5 minutes. So I hope you will like this. So let's start with our portal. So this is the main screen which we normally see when we log in NCE. So let me get back to you on console and tell you what it is. So we have different options available. So there are so many options, but we have already opened few options for you. The first one is network management, that is used for managing your network. It is already shown over here. Second is data collector option, that is used for collecting different types of data. Then we have very important part for NMS or for the NOC department to monitor the alarm. And then security management system setting is more related to the system level. But before clicking on the network management, I'll try to show you something, that time option. It is very important because when we are doing troubleshooting or any configuration related task, the timing is very important. So always it is showing the server time, whatever the time is on the server, that is already synced with NTP. So it is giving you exact time. So everybody, either if someone is using on office laptop or maybe at home or on in the NOC department, everybody will be seeing the same time because it is showing the server time. Maybe somebody is working on different time zone, but they all have same time to follow. Then we have an intelligent agent which help you to find some data, some problems, some alarm detail. And I'll tell you this is AI based. If you search, you will get the result very perfect. And then we have an option for showing some system related notification and something like the emergency activities or something like that. So if we click on network management, then you can see the options is loading. So you can see the topology is being loaded now. So here you can see all the topology is loaded now. So you are looking some different types of nodes in different colors. So what these colors represent? First of all, the green ones are the most favorite one because it has uh, no alarms and the NE is working fine. So it's showing green color. And if it is orange, something like this, it's mean it has some major category alarms. And the red one showing the critical ones like this one, and the yellow is for the warnings or something. But we can see some of gray and not logged in NEs. These NEs are used are showing for offline NEs, or maybe they are in under commissioning mode, they are not visible to the NMS, so you cannot do any operation to these NEs. But the all other NEs you can do operations, you can check alarms, you can configure, you can find analysis for these. So all options are available. So let's open as NE over by just double click, or maybe you can do one more thing, you can right click and get some basic options. Okay, you will have some basic option, but we as soon as we click on the main on double click on the main NE, you will see the bay face of the NEs available here. So you can see different cards are installed over here. For example, I know this is 1G port, 24 1G ports, but if I don't know what are these cards, so you just right click on the card and click right click and then click on the option board manufacturing information. So it will give you whole information about the card, what is the type, what is the serial number, BOM code. Every information is being shown over here. So if you click on any of the port, for example, I click on the gigabit 1011, for example, so it will show you the port number, what is the condition of its SFP, is it a SFP available? If it is true, it means it is available. And what type of communication it can follow, single mode or multi mode. Right now it is administratively down because we have just taken a test any, so it is administratively down. What is the operating status? And if some port is showing like this, it's mean SFP is not available, or you can say the SFP optical transmission mode is unknown. Maybe SFP is faulty, or maybe an SFP is not available there, or the compatibility issue can be seen over here. So this is one good option. About all the options are showing here. You can see different Ethernet interfaces over here. You can see different types of configuration for BFD configuration. As you can see, this is PTN 1700, which is good layer 3 device which can support. So you can have interface option, you can have MPLS option. Every options are there. But right now, our main purpose is to get basic understanding of how these are working. So if we click on any alarm node, so you will see the color is red, but now I can see which type of alarm this NE has. So as soon as I click on this, I'll see the count on the right top. 6 is critical alarm, 1 is major, 1 is a minor or the warning. Or you can see the legend over here. So I click on the red one because this is most annoying one. So let's see which type of alarm does this honey have. So you can see there are 5 or 6 different alarms. Output power abnormal, output power abnormal, output power low abnormal. So on these ports, like different ports which are connected to the peer NEs, they are having different alarms. On all the options are available. Last occur time, first occur time, how many times it has occurred, the frequency can be shown here. What is the severity of that alarm? Is it critical? What is an alarm ID? And every information is being shown over here. So I hope this small tutorial finds you very helpful and very effective. So in the next videos, we can see some different options and different tasks we can perform. So thank you for watching.